ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అసెంబ్లీ బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు మంగళవారం నుండి ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. 9 రోజుల పాటు ఈ సమావేశాలు జరగనుండగా 16న బడ్జెట్ ని ప్రవేశపెట్టనున్నారు. ఇందులో భాగంగా గవర్నర్ జస్టిస్ ఎస్ అబ్దుల్ నజీర్ బాధ్యతలు చేపట్టిన తరువాత మొదటిసారిగా ఉభయ సభలను ఉద్దేశించి మాట్లాడారు. విద్యా ప్రమాణాలను పెంచడానికి ప్రభుత్వం కృషి చేస్తుందని, నవరత్నాల ద్వారా సంక్షేమ పాలన అందుతుందని అన్నారు. వ్యవసాయము, పరిశ్రమలు, సేవా రంగాలలో అభివృద్ధి సాధిస్తున్నట్లు చెప్పారు.
विनायक जय हे भारत।
Evening to all. Honorable Chairman, Honorable Speaker, Honorable members of the State Legislature, it's a great honor and privilege to address this joint session of both the houses of Andhra Pradesh State Legislature on the occasion of the budget session 2023-24. It is almost 4 years since the journey to fulfill the hopes of more than 5 crore people of this state had begun under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Relentless efforts have been made during all these years in ensuring that governance is more inclusive and transparent. It is indeed heartening to share the way aspirations of the underprivileged, marginalized, and vulnerable groups have been fulfilled through the implementation of several pro-poor initiatives. Ever since my government was formed in 2019, we have embarked on an inclusive governance model under the broad welfare umbrella of Navaratnalu. Moving in sync with the global development agenda of sustainable development goals, the government has carved a well-knit development and welfare framework of Navaratnalu, implicitly adopting the concept of leave no one behind. Implementation of this integrated welfare program, where all schemes of the government have been mapped with SDGs, has facilitated direct benefit transfer by the click of a button into the bank accounts of the beneficiaries without any leakages or discrimination on any ground whatsoever, and with transparency under various schemes. New age institutions for effective service delivery. My government has recognized the importance of ensuring timely and transparent public service delivery to various sections of the population, which include the hitherto neglected classes of SCs, STs, BCs, minorities, farmers, and women. 15,004 village ward Sachivalayas across the state are instrumental in ensuring effective and transparent service delivery. During these 45 months, my government has extended financial assistance of about 1,97 lakh crores under various programs with an aim of improving living standards of the people regardless of caste, creed, religion, gender, and political affiliation under the ambit of Navaratnalu. Further, for more effective identification of beneficiaries, my government is conducting mandatory social audit before the launch of any scheme.